This is Heather from Idaho Scrapbook Show. So I have been looking online for all-in-one kits, stamp and scrapbook kits, and I've signed up for a couple. And today I got one in the mail, so I'm very excited to show this to you. This kit is from the Stamps of Life. It's an online store that has stamps and dies and embellishments. And they have 3 different kits that you can sign up for. One is just a stamp club kit, and you get a stamp set every month. The other one is called a Die Hard Club kit, and you get a stamp and a die that goes with it. And then if you want to go for the gusto, there's a card club kit, which has stamps, dies, embellishments, the whole kit to make cards. So that's what I decided to get. You have to sign up for a minimum of 3 months, and then you can cancel after that. So I signed up for the 3-month membership, and now I'm going to show you what's inside. This one is the May kit, so I'm going to let you know what's in here. So the thing I like about this one is they don't have instructions with the kit itself. You go online and you actually get to watch a video to show you how to make cards. And I'm a very visual person, so I'm really excited to do that. And I am going to show you some cards after I make them to show you what how mine turned out. So this one is called the Shine Collection Kit for May, and I'm going to show you what's in here. So you get 2 stamp sets. Let me grab these. This one has phrases you can use for your cards. And then you get one to stamp with. This says thanks, thank you, and thanks in the middle. So you get 2 of those. You get a die. This one says shine, since it's the Shine card kit. So you get that. And then you get all these fun embellishments. Okay, so they all coordinate, because all your stuff is going to coordinate to make cards. I got buttons. Cute, look at the colors, summer colors. Bling, love those. I got some twine, lots of twine that matches, and then I got this ribbon. So these ribbons and this twine all match. And then I got a goodie for joining, so more bling. I can use that with these, and some stickers. Cute. Then they give you a 6x6 pad. Look at that, flamingos, I love those. Look at pineapples, so cute, double-sided. So you get a whole pack of paper that will match. And then you get envelopes to go with the cards, nice, because sometimes you don't get those, but you get a pack of envelopes, quite a few. And then all this paper to match, lots of paper. And then you get this little case that the paper goes into, or, you know, if you want to store things. I really like that because that came with it. So you get that as well. So there is my kit that I'm going to be making stamps with this month. I've also signed up for a couple more of these through different companies. So as I get them, I will show you what's in each one. And then you can, if you want to see more, you can go to their websites. But I'm really excited because I like the fact that I have everything here to make cards, and I don't have to go looking for stuff, especially if I'm going to go to somebody's house to craft. This is perfect. Just take this along, grab my phone, I can watch the video, or I can make up my own ideas, but this is going to be a lot of fun. So if you want more information about this kit, you can go to thestampsoflife.com, and they have a tab just for the club, so you can click on that and learn more about each one and the prices. And I am going to be doing more, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for updates and more information on all these fun kits. Talk to you later.